This is a new radiator cap for the 1928 Lombard dump truck, and John Belding and his students have cast it. Well, actually, you didn't cast it. You made it with 3D
Metal
printing.
3D printed, yes.
Wow! And John, that was this machine right over here. Pretty amazing.
Desktop metals and metal 3D printing system.
And then you had to center it, John. Is that right?
Yeah, it does. So it does a printing operation where it uses a metal powder that's in a wax binder and kind of like a hot glue gun, and deposits it in the pattern that we want. And then once you print it, it's in the green state, then it goes into our debinder, which removes most of the wax. And then it goes into our sintering furnace that then sinters it down and shrinks 20% and sinters it down to the solid part.
That's fantastic.